Releasing dopamine.
What's up guys, what's on gaming in the building? Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, and we're there with another
Inside.
Yeah, we never not itch. Make we get right tonight. But before we kick off things, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe because it really help out your Jamaican YouTuber. Anyway, right tonight. Alright peeps, if you don't live under a rock, you definitely know about the Vybz Kartel trial this week. And his appeal got denied by the court. So because of that, whole heap of people in a shock, whole heap of people go back and forth. A lot of persons have mixed feelings. Some people are saying, yo, Lizard shouldn't have dead because he's a bad man. And some persons pretty much saying that no, him have life still. And some people are saying Kartel guilty, and some people are saying him no guilty, the system rigged. Even his mother come out and say, hey, you know, she's sad for her son loss, but she feel the victory and she happy that Adidja Palmer, aka Vybz Kartel, world boss, got put away in prison and him deserve what he's supposed to get. And pretty much people even go along for even this all the liar them and make memes and I say one bag of things. But anyway peeps, Mr. Vegas posted a video on Instagram and pretty much give his feedback on the whole matter, what happened. But anyway, make we get it right tonight now and make we see what go on, yeah?
Blessed love people don't know this is Subi. I want you to know you have a thing in the truth. The truth alone shall set us free. And I deal with righteousness, so I can't compromise people. And more want the eye them take this with a positive spin. You see, when it comes down to the Vybz Kartel case, and the people them will put forward certain rhetoric, we find them disappointing and disheartening. Now, when I want to go say, I know nothing if Lizard get killed because him did nobody. I know nothing if him get killed because him did bad man. Him did murderer, him did killer, him did this, him did that. I find them talk they're very disappointing people. Because here we go now. You see, when you hold certain status in a life, when you reach a certain status in a life and troubled youth come around you, you have a responsibility to try to curve them in a positive way. You have a responsibility to say, my youth, me no want you bust no gun, you know. Me no want you bust no gun, me want you go back to school. Me want you start a little business. Me not supposed to recruit you if you come bust no gun for me or if you come kill nobody for me. Because first and foremost, if me used to live in the ghetto and me bust and become a superstar, me not supposed to worry say, yo, me need some little ghetto youth to come protect me. Me get security and pay them and buy a house up on the hill if me afraid to stay in the ghetto. If me not trust me people, then me buy a house up on the hill. I buy a house in a gated community because me have money can do that now. So that means anytime you check me, I must have work me I give you. I must have work me I go set you up with. Something where you can go back and feed your mother and feed your family and feed your youth if you have youth. Me not supposed to recruit no youth to further them badness, to enhance them badness. I mean, I love the same thing if my youth step out of line and him go around a Dan or go around anybody who have certain status. Me that want to know, say, yo, you send back my youth on the right track. Because I have sons too. So if your son come my way, me I go say, my youth, what you do? You know how hard your father have to work. You know how hard your mother have to work. What you do? Them gun something that don't make no sense, youth. A dead you go dead or go to prison. Me don't understand how people can extenuate whatever happened. Seeing with the man that did murderer, or the man that did killer, or the man that never no body. That's how we reach as black people. And then if a man say anything against what you want to say, you don't want to tell people about them mother, you don't want to tell people say them for dead, you don't want to tell people say them bad mind and all of them things there. So if you're a youth step out of line, you would love me now as Vegas now start dealing with badness now and put a gun in him hand. Or enhancing badness. The police kill him or me kill him. You see, we as a people, we're not thinking of them, we want the government to fight crime. We have to say, yo, the government now do nothing for crime and violence. So we blame the government every day we get up because Andrew Holness say now do nothing about the crime. But we as a people, we dip on internet and show we want 2 likes. We are going to talk about say, yo, because a man was a killer, the man for dead. This now have nothing to do with Vybz Kartel, you know, because this is not just a exclusive situation, you know, people. We need to do better as a people. You can love a man from far, you know. But you have to think about the bigger picture. You have to think about society, the society where you live in, the society where you want to be able to walk down the street without anyone terrorizing you. So what kind of precedent will not set? You know, there's some irresponsible talk them will not talk because you're emotional. We don't wish prisoner or nothing for no man, you know. But at the same time, we have to think about the society where we live in, and when we say these things, where we are tell the next youth say, where we are tell the next artist, where we are tell the next person with old status, where we are tell them say, so we are going to defend them if something like this should happen again. No, you're not supposed to deal with badness and come around. We have certain talk, we will have certain status, we will have certain influence, and we enhance them badness. Whether I say it, because we know say them thing they go on. We know say them thing they go on. Man see little youth are bad and take them and recruit them, boy. Yo, no, I got this the man there for me. Little youths, let me tell you something, you know, get the youths. Don't make nobody trick on you, you know. Don't make nobody trick on you, you know. Think about your mother. Think about your children, them. And don't make the man we have them money come tell them about say got this no man for them, you know. Make them got this man themselves.
Alright, peeps, so pretty much that is Mr. Vegas' thought on the whole matter regarding Vybz Kartel and Lizard and everything. No! Vybz Kartel, the world boss, responded on Instagram. And this is what Vybz Kartel said. The brother still exists. First of all, I've made so many youths into millionaires, both in and out of the music, comma. Plus, I've given much more my parents, sisters, brothers, and other relatives and personal friends. And most importantly, my children worship and adore me, and all my baby mother them respect me as a real man who loves his kids. So I don't need validation from a washed up celebrity or from a society of criminals. The CIA consistently ranks it so high in corruption index. It's a wonder we have floated to the clouds. Hashtag Gaza Nation. You hear me? 12,000 plus Jamaicans have been murdered since September 30th, 2011. But them are worried about cartel. Laughing emoji. Effing dunce. Only impressionable little brainwash slaves. Laughing emoji. Them only can brainwash butu and dunce like uno. So go and buy into the illusion. Hashtag Gaza Nation. Alright. The world boss has spoken. Peeps, hear my little thing about the whole matter right now. I understand where Vegas I say, and I understand the Kartel I say at the same time too. But guess what? I want you guys to comment and let me know below what you think, and we can talk in the comment section down there. So yeah man, make a whole a reason. Alright? So go and journey the boy. Ah shoo!
Yeah, yeah.